Hi, today we are going to see how we can see the branch dashboard sales report, and in the next video we are going to show you how the owner of the restaurant who have multi-branch restaurant can access the back office of the software and can see the reports from back office branch wise. Right now we are going to see the branch dashboard reports. Let's go to the report section, sales data, and then overview. Right now we don't have any unpaid amount, no unpaid orders, and no split order paid. Now let's see the completed orders that we have. So as you can see that we have the amount of 5,300 for 5 orders. It's a paid amount. The product price was 50/50, and the order amount was like the order discount was -5, and temporary charges was 255. Rest of other things are 0. Now the actual sale is 5,300. There is no refund fee. You can see as for today, yesterday, for last 7 days, for last 30 days, as you want, or the time range, whatever you want. You can select from here and you can see the results. Now let's see the order report. Now right now we have 5 orders, 3 dine-in customers and 2 takeaway orders. Now if you want to see it by amount, then we can select the options over here. The total amount was 5,300. The dine-in customer paid 3,355, and the takeaway customer paid 1945. You can see the ratio 63 and 36%, and you can see the daily report from here over here. Now if you want to see the online orders that you got, so click on the online section and you will see there was 2 online orders. Order platform was like or on mini app, so click on by amount. You can see it by amount. The 3,030 was the total amount and the 100% percentage. Now if you want to see the checkout report, you will go to checkout report and see the total amount received was 5,300. All was cash amount, no refunded amount. Actual sale was this. If you want to see the online report, you can see from here. The total received amount was 3030 and it was cash, and there is 0% tax, and actual sale is 3030. Now let's see the tax report. Right now we don't have any tax report added over here, so you can add that and see that later. Now if you want the product report, click on the product report and the food category. Let's post by top categories. Food category bring 4,250 sale, 84% sale ratio, and the drink 800, it's 15% sales ratio. Now if you want to see it by product, the top products was single burger, quantity 4, then fries was 3, then Pepsi, and then chicken wings. Now if you want to see the more detailed reports for top add-ons or top modifiers, you can go from here. If you want to export the list, you can click on export the list and create the task and export that from here. So this was all for report section. In the upcoming videos, we are going to show you how you can see it from the back office, like the restaurant owner, how the restaurant of owner can access it from the back office. Thank you.